What programming languages are best to learn now in AI era? There are several programming languages that are widely used in the field of AI and machine learning. The choice of language depends on specific application, projects, and personal preferences. Here are some of the popular programming languages for AI that I recommend you should learn if you are interested in AI. Python is first on our list because Python is currently the most popular language for AI and machine learning due to its simplicity, readability, and extensive libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. R is another programming language that is specifically designed for data analysis, statistics, and visualization. It has a large collection of packages for machine learning and is widely used in academia. Java is another versatile language that is commonly used in developing enterprise applications and can be used for AI and machine learning application as well. It has strong support for multi-threading and parallel processing. C++ is another popular language for developing high-performance and low-latency systems, which makes it a popular choice for AI application that requires speed and efficiency. And last on our list is Julia. Julia is a relatively new programming language that is designed to be fast, expensive, and suitable for numerical and scientific computation. It has built-in support for distributed and parallel computing. In summary, Python is currently the most popular language for AI and machine learning due to its simplicity, readability, and extensive libraries. However, the choice of language ultimately depends on specific application and project requirements.